Hello students, today we are going to start class 3rd subject English grammar chapter 9 degrees of comparison. Study the sentences given below. The hippopotamus is a large animal. An elephant is larger than a hippopotamus. And the whale is the largest animal. In the above three sentences, we are comparing the size of hippopotamus, an elephant, and a whale. Adjectives that compare one or more things use degrees of comparison. So here, when we are comparing more than one or more things to each other, we will use degrees of comparison. So there are three degrees comparison. First is positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, so in positive, when there is no comparison, comparative in when we compare two things, and superlative when we compare more than two things. So here you can see the table. First in positive, nice, nicer, nicest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, long, longer, longest, high, higher, highest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, thin, thinner, thinnest. So here when we not compare anything to anyone, we use this. If we are compared two things, we will use comparative, and when we are using more than two things, we will use superlative. So with the help of the table above, we can understand that in the comparative degree, we add er to the word. In the superlative degrees, we add est to the word. Any word that end with y, constant y, changes to ier or iest in their comparative and superlative degrees respectively, as in heavy, heavier, heaviest. Sometimes the last letter is double, as in thin, thinner, or thinnest. Now here we will start the exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison of the adjective in bracket. So here, this is dash things anyone has said to me today. So in bracket they have given nice. So what will come? Nicer. We will put est. Now next, Tani is dash then Shelly. So here the short. What will come? Shorter. Now turn your page. The mango is the dash of all fruits. So what will come? Sweetest. SWEET. We will add EST here. Burj Khalifa is the dash building in the world. So Burj Khalifa is tallest. We will add ES. Now my house dash than your is smaller. May is the dash month of the year. May is hottest month of the year. It is dash outside today. It is cold outside today. Apples are dash costly than guavas. Is costlier. Okay, so here we have completed, and this activity is your homework. So in this activity, what you have to do, look at the picture below in the fill in the blanks using degrees of comparison with the word thick. So they have given you the figure 1, 2 and 3. So you have to write the answers and in the word of thick. Means you have to use the word thick only. Now come to the chapter number 10, and the. The word and the are called articles. Articles are used before naming words or nouns. Read the following to understand which article to use where. Uses. Is used before constant sound, means before the constant sound we will use a. So here a book, a cat, a dog. Number 2, before think we can count, give me a paper is wrong. So give me a roll or piece of paper. To show one person, place, animal or thing. A girl, a boy went up the hills. Chennai is a city. A dog ran after a cat. Please give me a pen. So now an is used before vowel sound. So like constant, now before vowel sound we will use an. So an owl, an eagle, igloo, an umbrella. So before things we can count. An owl flew into my house today. To show one person, place, animal or thing, an artist drew an elephant. I eat an apple every day. I came to an unknown place. So the is used now before uncountable noun. So before uncountable noun we will use before the. The water flowed out of the pot. When we are talking about a specific noun, for example, the teacher who made me was very nice. Okay, now we will start the exercise. So number 1, I have dash umbrella which is red in color. I have an umbrella which is red in color. She studied at a university. Hina brought a pair of bangles. Geeta lives in an apartment. Would you like a piece of cake? It has been an hour since you came. Harry is an honest boy. Will you have an omelette? Now the exercise number 2. Pass me. So here fill in the blanks with a, and or the. Now first is pass me the bowl of popcorn on your lap. Next, the Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Give me a place in your team. A bird is worth 2 in burst. 2 in the burst. Now, have you met the dancer who will perform tonight? F. I took a break from work. Now, Kinjal will be given a token at the counter. Now, the life of a worker is very hard. I ate a sandwich and an ice cream at the cinema. Now the rain stopped and we saw a rainbow. Okay, now insert a and or the where needed using a slash. Now, so in first, life is beautiful. Life is a beautiful. So here we have to write the slash and the a. Okay. Now next, the woman at the shop is very polite. Okay, so from C to J is your homework. You have to write this work in your SW copy because here is no place to write. Okay, so you have to write the add a and the in this sentence. So here we have completed chapter 10 and chapter 9. So you have to complete this work in your test book. Thank you.